Anuj Agnihotri secured 1071 marks, which is a huge difference of 108 marks. Top 100 के जो students थे. Now understand this. If you want to make your list in the top 100, if you want those elite positions, if you want those higher positions in UPSC, in your civil services, then we have to make sure that our rank is in the top 100. So that is going to be 800 till 840. Prelims के लिए it is 92.66. Then for EWS it's 89. OBC और general का cutoff is very much similar. 0.66 का difference है. 2023 में because we know that 2023 का पेपर बहुत ही अलग था, तो cutoff बहुत ही ज़्यादा drop हो गया तो 75 marks. Whereas in 2024 it was 87. Again, a very huge jump of around 12 marks. So the safe score for us for prelims is going to be 105 and 110. Hello everyone. So today we will see the recently released CSE cutoff marks. So UPSC ने अभी recently ये cutoff list दी है हमें. So let's see कि कैसे cutoff से differ करता है actual score, what the actual score is of the rankers and what the cutoff list is. So let's take an overview about how the cutoff is. So we'll generally हम general category का ही देखेंगे. Prelims के लिए it is 92.66. Okay. Then for EWS it's 89. OBC और general का cutoff is very much similar. 0.66 का difference है. For mains it's 739 mains, and for the final marks is 963. Now this is the 2025 cutoff. Now let's see how the cutoff has been articulated since the past 5 years. Now for the prelims cutoff, we can see that 2020 में 92.51 is the cutoff. Now this is something which was huge, क्योंकि 2020 से पहले थोड़ा cutoff कम होता था. 92 was a huge jump. But in 2021, it was reduced by 5 marks. Again in 2022, it was increased by 1 mark, 1.5, 88.22. 2023 में because we know that 2023 का पेपर बहुत ही अलग था, तो कट ऑफ बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्रॉप हो गया तो 75 marks. Whereas in 2024, it was 87. Again, a very huge jump of around 12 marks, right? From there in 2025 it has gone to 92, again 5 marks. So you can see that the cutoff from 2020 to 2025 in the past 5 years is been like a pendulum, which is like in first it's increasing, then it's coming to 87, again 88, decreasing to 75, increasing to 87, and again in 90s. So what we are expecting in 2026, we are expecting a little bit higher cutoff as well. So cutoff bas बढ़ ही रहा है. Right? So prelims volatility is increased. So the safe score for us for prelims is going to be 105 and 110. ठीक है, अगर cut off list के ऊपर जाना है, then our safe score is going to be this 105 and 110. So according to your analysis, whatever you have done, कि मेरे कितने attempt, कितने questions सही आ रहे हैं, कितने गलत आ रहे हैं, is my guesswork working properly or not? You decide the safe score. You decide the safe number of questions you are going to attempt, which can be around 85 to 95, and then make sure that you are in this para. Okay, so 105 to 110 is going to be your safe score, safe side. Coming to mains cutoff. Mains cutoff यहाँ पे देखो तो 2020 में 736. Okay, 736 है. 2021 में 745, 48, 41. 729 and 739. So जैसे हमने प्रीलिम्स में देखा था कि कभी 75 तो कभी 87, कभी 90s में तो कभी 80s में, इन ईयर इट्स नॉट सो मच ऑफ वेरिएशन. बहुत कम वेरिएशन है. इन एंड अराउंड वी कैन से दैट 740 के आसपास कट ऑफ हमेशा चलता है इन मेंस, राइट? सो वेरिएशन in the past 5 years for mains it has only been 19 marks. So UPSC maintains stable scaling in mains evaluation. So you don't have to worry about कि इस बार कुछ अलग तरीके से मार्किंग होगा या कुछ. No, it maintains a highly research standard of evaluation जहाँ पे एक 19 marks का variation होता है, which is not more. Okay, whereas in prelims it keeps on changing. Let's see what is the final cutoff, which is including the personality test as well. So 2020 में 944 था कट ऑफ, 2021 में 953, 2022 में 960, 23 में 953, 24 में 947 and in 2025 it was 963. Again, the same pace, variation of only 19 marks in the past 6 years. 19 marks. So UPSC selection threshold is stable. UPSC knows उनको किस तरीके के बच्चे को अंदर लाना है, select करना है, recommend करना है, right? So a very small average of 19 marks. Now let's see how our AIR first. Rank 1 scored 1071. Okay. So mains में उसको मिले हैं 867. Prelims marks are not counted as you know very well. Personality test में मिले हैं 204. So total marks is 1071. Now how is this different and how this kind of marks helped him become the rank 1? Let's see that. Now I hope this is clear to you all. Essay में the marks that he has scored is 108. 108 marks. In GS1 he has scored 111. In GS2, he has scored 127, 103 in GS3. Now, this is something very shocking. 103 in GS3, which is very uncommon. But again, topper hai, to obviously baat hai ki average out marks will be always more than 100. 126 and 142 in GS4. And in optional, he has secured 142 and 150. And the total, this makes 267. In personality test, guys, he has scored 204 marks, which makes his sum 171. Now, let's see what we are learning from this. Look at here. 867 written is very elite performance. The total marks out of which this written exam is, it's 1750. ठीक है, 1750 out of उसको 167 मिले हैं. That means he has turned around 50% of marks, so you can say 49.5%, okay, which is very very less if we see through this perspective, but UPSC के perspective से ये बहुत ही high है, ठीक है. इतने marks score करना is very tough, right? So 49.5% is going to be a good score. 867 is a good score. So average selected candidate, अगर 867 is rank 1, average selected is 760 to 800. And top 100 के जो students है. Now understand this. If you want to make your list in the top 100, if you want those elite positions, if you want those higher positions in UPSC, in your civil services, then we have to make sure that our rank is in the top 100, at least in the top 150, right? So that is going to be 800 till 840. Okay. Rank 1 secured 850 plus. So ये जो हमने एवरेज निकाला है कि 800 से 840 होना चाहिए इन द टॉप 100, he has just broken up that also. 850 plus score किया, which is very very huge, right? PT. Now coming to personality test score, which is again 275 का personality score होता है. He has got 204. Okay. Now the difference is a lot. We can see कि 275 और 204 है. Difference is a lot. But if you score more than 200 in your personality test, that is in your interview, that means you are getting into your list. Okay. So 204 means around 74%, and this is a very very high interview score. Now this he managed and made the top 1 rank, right? Rank 1 score is far above cutoff. Cutoff अभी हम देखेंगे. Let's see the cutoff, then you will understand a little bit more. Let's see this first. हमने देखा था rank 1 का score, the final cutoff is 963. Okay, जो हमने cutoff list देखी थी पहले या दूसरी स्लाइड में, the cutoff, final cutoff including the interview test is 963, whereas Anuj Agnihotri secured 1071 marks, which is a huge difference of 108 marks. तो जहां पे एवरेज बच्चे ट्राई कर रहे हैं लिस्ट में जाने के लिए टू स्कोर अबाउ द कट ऑफ, ही हैज स्कोर्ड मोर देन द कट ऑफ बाय 108 मार्क्स. ओके, सो ही हैज जस्ट बीटन ऑफ द लिस्ट. 108 मार्क्स, एंड इवन आफ्टर सिलेक्शन रैंक कॉम्पिटिशन इज ह्यूज. तो आप सिलेक्ट हो जाओगे, बट जो आपके मार्क्स होते हैं पर्सनल टेस्ट को मिला के, रिटन टेस्ट को मिला के, दैट इज गोइंग टू डिसाइड योर रैंक. एंड वो रैंक में जो कॉम्पिटिशन है वो तो अलग लेवल पे ही चल रहा है. So we have to understand this, that if you want to get your desired position on the grounds in the civil services, then we have to be in that elite performance as well. ठीक है, तो just do not कीप ऑन लुकिंग एट द कट ऑफ कि कट ऑफ कितना आया है, मुझे कट ऑफ से 1 मार्क 2 मार्क्स या 3 मार्क्स ज्यादा लाना है. नो, यू हैव टू बी मोर देन दैट फॉर योर डिजायर्ड पोजिशन इन द सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट लेट्स सी AIR 3 which is Akansh Dul. उसके कितने मार्क्स आए हैं? Now he has secured 863. Okay, 863 in mains, and यहाँ पे percentage test में you can see he has scored 193. Now Anuj had scored 204. Again 10 marks, 10 to 11 marks का difference है. The total is 1057, where the difference here is 94. We saw the difference of Air India rank 1 is 108 marks, whereas here it's 94 marks. मतलब second, third rank में और first rank के बीच में भी बहुत ज़्यादा difference है, around 14 marks का difference है. Understanding 14 marks even in the rank 1, तो rank 1 को beat करने में ही उसको 14 marks का difference मिला है, right? So coming to cut off, how much cut off does he need? So cut off से उसका 71 ज़्यादा है. So just जो लास्ट हमारा रैंकर होगा उसका कट ऑफ एंड हियर कट ऑफ इज जस्ट द डिफरेंस इज जस्ट 71 मार्क्स. दो द नंबर इज वेरी लेस, 71 मार्क्स, वी कैन सी कि यहाँ पे 71 मार्क्स की वजह से इसका रैंक आया है 3. ओके, ही इज इन द थर्ड रैंक राइट नाउ. कमिंग टू आर ऑल इंडिया रैंक 4 विच इज राघव झुंझुनवाला. नाउ ही हैज अ वेरी स्टनिंग मार्क्स. 847 मिले हैं मेंस में, पर्सनैलिटी में मिले हैं 195 बीइंग थ्रू अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बोर्ड. ही गॉट टोटल ऑफ 1042. ही सिक्योर्ड 1042 मार्क्स एंड डिफरेंस यहाँ पे आप देखोगे तो थर्ड रैंक के बीच में यहाँ पे उसको मिले हैं 94. डिफरेंस इज 94. इन पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट ही हैज गॉट 193. एयर इंडिया रैंक 3 हैज गॉट इंटरव्यू मेट 193, whereas All India rank 4 has secured 195, which is more than All India rank third, right? But still, because of the difference in the mains marks, he has secured a total of 1042, which leads to difference of 71 from the cutoff. उसका cutoff से difference आता है 72, इसका cutoff से difference आ रहा है 71, and so the rank difference. Got it? One more thing that I would like to tell you here कि यहाँ पे optional भी देखो कि सबके बहुत अलग है, not from the regular ones, कि ना sociology है, ना PSIR है, और not history or geography. It is something very different. Medical science hai, economics hai, right? So these options have been also considered this time a lot. Mathematics have been considered in the top 100. Coming to All India rank 7. All India rank 7 का mains में आया है 834. Personality test is 201. Now this is more All India rank 3 and All India rank 4. The personality test he has scored more, which is 201. Total is 1035 and the difference is 72. Again, 1 mark difference. क्लियरली यहाँ पे भी ऑल इंडिया रैंक अगर हम 8 देखेंगे तो 8 का भी डिफरेंस इज 72. ओके, द टोटल इज 1035. ऑल इंडिया रैंक 7 का भी सेम 1035 एंड द डिफरेंस इज 72. द डिफरेंस दैट हैज गॉट देम इन वन रैंक इज बिकॉज ऑफ द पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट. ऑल इंडिया रैंक को मिला है 201 इन द इंटरव्यू एंड ऑल इंडिया रैंक 8 को मिला है 198. So that's the difference which has made Pakshal the All India rank 8 and Raja is All India rank 7. All right. Now coming to All India rank 10. Ujjwal has scored mains में 846, personality test में 187 and total is 1033 and the difference is 70. Now यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे तो 72 था, 72 था top 5, top 6 का. Then he has secured the difference between the cutoff is 70. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 70 है. Optional is sociology. The difference is 70 and hence the ranking में difference. Alright, यहाँ पे भी देखोगे personality test is very low than the other rankers, but still has secured the rank 10 because of the score in mains, good score in mains. So यहाँ पे you don't have to be good in one of the part. ठीक है, हमें एवरेज स्कोर से ज्यादा ही लाना है so that we can be in the top 100. Now let's see the top 100 score. We can see कि narrow margins हैं among top ranks. Many candidates between 990 to 1030. 10 marks difference, 30 to 50 marks. If you see कि अगर 10 मार्क का डिफरेंस हो, हमने टॉप 10 रैंकर्स देखे अभी तक, अगर 10 मार्क का भी डिफरेंस हो तो यहाँ पे 30 to 50 रैंक्स के बीच में आप आ जाते हो. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ 30 to 50 रैंक्स इवन बाय 10 मार्क्स. Okay, so you just don't have to stick around ki cutoff kitna hai, you have to gain more than that. Again here, personality test board influence. Interview marks in the list range around 130 to 225. From 130 to 225, it's the range where the top 100 have secured. And variance is 95 marks. Interview board still differ significantly. जो board आपको मिलेगा उस हिसाब से आपको marks मिलेंगे. Obviously, the boards are not in our hand. It's going to be luck at that time. But मेंस इज इन योर हैंड. यू कैन परफॉर्म बेस्ट इन मेंस इन योर ऑप्शन सो दैट इंटरव्यू में भी जितने वेरिएशन में मार्क्स मिलेंगे स्टिल यू कैन मेक इन योर टॉप 100. ऑलराइट, सो डू नॉट गेट इनटू द फियर कि इंटरव्यू कैसे जाएगा, इंटरव्यू कैसे जाएगा. यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट योर मेंस मार्क्स आर समथिंग दैट यू हैव इन योर हैंड. ठीक है, मेंस के हमने वेरिएशंस भी देखे, 19 मार्क्स से वेरिएशंस होते हैं, ज्यादा वेरिएशन होता नहीं है, सेम कट ऑफ लगता है हमेशा. तो वी कैन मेक श्योर दैट वी स्कोर आर बेस्ट इन मेंस. ऑलराइट, पीटी में देखो अनुज को 204 है एंड अनुज को 204 है एंड रवि को है 201. सो द मार्क्स आर सो सिमिलर हियर. ओके, बट द रेंज इफ यू सी इज starting from 165 as well. 165 is also in the top 100, right? So 165 से range चालू होती है. So you have a lot of range to play in your interview marks, in your personality test. But very few marks will make a difference in your mains list. And that is where your whole rank is decided, right? So beyond courses and lecture, you need a system for this. You need to understand that ये different stages को different तरीके से, different perspective से कैसे देखना है. उसके लिए हर एक strategy अलग होती है. प्रीलिम्स के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी अलग होती है, मेंस के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी अलग होती है, इंटरव्यू के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी अलग होती है. एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू बिलीव इन द स्ट्रैटेजी एंड यू वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट. So understand the competencies to build. If you just look at the cutoff and you try to make through the cutoff, that is not going to get you to the desired position that you want, to the desired post that you want. So you understand that, you analyze that as well. Assess your preparation at every stage and then you will understand where to work upon more and where not to. Okay, understand your weak points and understand your strong points. Avoid accidental preparation कि आज ये कर रहे हैं, कल वो कर रहे हैं. It's in a very haphazard manner. You don't know where you're heading towards. So if you do this, if you try doing or just listening to all the recommended things and planning your preparation without a strategy, you are bound to fail like this, right? So make sure that you have a system developed, you have a strategy developed, and you believe in that strategy and work towards it. All right. If you have given mains, if you have your mark sheet with you, you can approach towards us and we will tell you or we will give you one-on-one analysis with the Smash Mains mentor so that you can understand what and where you made wrong and we can make you help perform very good in your next attempt. So make sure that you ping us through WhatsApp and we will arrange a one-on-one session for you so that you will analyze your mains marks, your interview marks if given interview, and then help towards the further preparation.